But yeah, we're gonna test this thing. 85 front end, how do they work? I don't know. The jumps are big.
Wheelie test to see if pops. Oh!
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're hopping straight into this one. We're gonna take, as you guys are literally calling it, the pavement princess, which it has been this entire time. We're gonna be putting this thing to the test. I have ridden it a little bit, that's why it's a little bit dusty, but it's still looking good, dude. I mean, come on. Doesn't get better than that. But yeah, so we're gonna test this thing. We have a full built track here at our buddy Gavin's house. It is like the sickest setup ever. Sonny actually built the whole track, so you know it's gonna be proper. But yeah, we're gonna test this thing. 85 front end, how do they work? I don't know. What up, dog? Matt got a Husqvarna front end on his. See, okay, so that's the fender on his bike is what was supposed to be on this with the side plates, but I put the stock one on because I just wanted the shorter fender. it's a bit longer than mine. That's why I don't know. I feel like if this fender was right here, it'd be perfect. Because even that one like is a tad bit short, but. This might be the sickest surron track I've literally ever seen. Dude, this is nuts. It's like a mini supercross track. It's exactly, look, we got like the bowl turns too. We all got modded surrons here though. Dude, that is pretty big, I'm not gonna lie. I think like 15 would be ideal. All right, Gavin, show me how it's done. First test on this bike. Dude, butter. I want to see this. Okay, that thing's pretty big. Dude, this is sick. Now we're warmed up. Oh my gosh, I have not ridden a surron in like 20 years, dude. Feels like I don't even know how to ride. I want to watch Gavin hit this thing. I want to see you hit this thing from right here. Is your helmet buckled? Your helmet's not buckled. Dude, no problem. Dude, no problem. Oh, suspension handles like nothing. Oh! First try, greased it. Oh! I'm literally out of breath, bro. I can't even breathe.
I got about 2 laps ago.
Oh my gosh. I think I just did a 5-lap moto. Come on, Matt, hit it. Oh! Oh! Good thing my forks.
place right now.
This thing is absolutely handling like a champ. I mean, I've only done what, 7-8 laps. Forks, game changer. Big. Okay, these are like pretty hard landings, so it's a good way to like kind of test it.
Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside.
I don't know if they can see it in the video, but like everywhere I'm landing, dude, I'll just land front heavy. God, I'm so out of breath, dude. I'm not cut out for this. Fork's holding up great though, like everything's good. Bolts are tight. I don't know. How does it look when I'm riding it?
It looks plush, dude.
It does look sick, huh?
Looks really plush.
How's this jump look right here? Does it look sick?
Yeah, that one's like that's probably the best one.
Good.
100%.
Gavin, you whipping off that thing?
Yeah, a little bit.
Let's hit a few whip trains.
Yeah.
Oh, that one looked good.
That was good. That was good.
Oh!
Oh! Oh, bro! Dude! I thought you weren't coming back.
Oh my gosh.
I thought you were done.
Oh. Dude, so coming out of this right-hander right here, there's literally like full-blown braking bumps coming out of that thing.
Dude,
it's like a full moto track.
Through that turn.
And then there's a fat rut in the middle of this jump right here, so we need to start hitting different lines. But I feel like I'm just literally plowing through these berms, dude. They're soft, huh?
This side of the track needs to get watered. So
It does, huh? It doesn't get enough water. These bull turns over here are like prime time.
Word, let's make it a gathering. I said, baby, nah, I'm addict now, but she loving the splash again. I just be cashing in her buns, just like a wedding, I'm crashing in. Hundreds on hundreds, I'm moving and grooving. She wanna cut up, I'ma slash again. Buckets on buckets, I'm switching edition. Back in my bag, going back again. I feel like Aladdin, yeah. I'm on a carpet, flying through orbits, ain't doing no talking. Wow. They on my body as soon as I walk in, bitches be stalking. They loving the drip, they think I'm a force, it gotta move cautious. Back in my duffel, I'm working a double like I'm in the office. Tell them to watch it, now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Then she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah, yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? And you should know that we on this forever. You don't know me well, just ask again. And you should know.
Wheelie test, this thing pops up no problem. You guys telling me that this thing's gonna be hard to wheelie? That is a lie. Oh! Ah! Dude, this is steep. There we go. Still holding it. I want to do a quick wheelie test on the street with this thing. Literally, this is full on Glen Helen. I had to do a wheelie test real quick for the people, because I know everyone's curious, because this front end weighs like 20 more pounds than everything, so we'll do a quick wheelie test for you on this flat ground right here. No problem.
On the street, it's easier. See from a dead stop, pops right up. Front braking's insane too.
All right, guys, we're loaded up. That is a wrap for this place. Dude, bike held up well. No, nothing like major or anything. I do want to put something in here so my battery doesn't fly around a little bit. I feel like it was flying around a bit. But other than that, good. Lowers look good. Forks handle amazing. Front brake is crazy good. Wheelie's fine. Everything. Comment down below how you guys thought this thing handled. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Yo, hold on. You gotta show the comparison right now. The height.
Oh, I know. Okay, dude, look at this. We got to start. Dude, this is how much higher mine sits. And not even to mention, mine's compressed a little bit because of the tie downs. But KKE forks, 85 forks. So if you guys are going to do this mod, just know that this thing is literally going to sit like an 85. My toes on it, on both sides, are like this. I can't even flat foot it anymore. So, but hey, that's it right there. Everyone was always curious on how this thing handled. There you go. I did throw it flat. I know you guys saw that clip. I'll run it back.